Intertherm furnace component humming after call to heat. AC works fine, but when I was testing the furnace today, I just got some classic electrical humming. I narrowed it down to this black component. What is it called? Is it expensive? I'm confident I could replace it, but should I call my heating guy anyway? Question from user RickyAwesome01 at HVAC Advice at Reddit. Answer. It's called an induced draft motor. Easy DIY job. Getting a hold of the part can be tricky. Answer from user Muffinman991 at HVAC Advice at Reddit.